What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing what we hope is a Hammer Miner in here. I don't actually know. Martin ordered it, so.
Yeah, I ordered it. I just want to check out what's up.
If it's not a Hammer Miner, I swear to God, we prepared this whole video for nothing. I got the screwdrivers ready right here, so.
I'm hoping it's a Hammer Miner, because otherwise Jay-Z's going to kill me.
Yeah, it's
Look at all that paper wrap.
Oh shit, it is a Hammer Miner.
Nice.
Okay, so that's it?
Yeah,
There's nothing else?
Nope.
Oh my God.
What else did you want? What were you expecting?
I thought there was going to be like a green stand or something.
Oh, no, I know, but that's because we didn't have it in the warehouse yet.
Oh shit.
But we're waiting on those.
Well, do you need to see any more of this, or you're satisfied?
Now I'm just want to like check it out.
Oh, well, check it out.
Are you going to like
I'm going to like,
though?
yeah, I'm going to plug it in and turn it on and stuff.
Cool.
Yeah, I put you on the spot, so if you don't want to be here, just put the mic down and then just walk away.
Thanks for that, Jay.
Yep. I was expecting more amazing unboxing, but I guess not. But yeah, I guess I'm going to like set this up now.
How's that fresh Chinese feel?
Give it a good smell. Let me smell it. Yeah, fresh off the factory line. It's cold because like, yeah, dude, I haven't had a Hammer Miner in the office in a while. So let's reset it up. Yeah, no instructions, there's no book, there's no stand. Perfect, right?
Yeah, well.
So I am going to try and record my screen. So hopefully this video will have like an actual usable screen capture. Okay, let's plug this in, hope there's no smoke. No smoke?
No smoke.
Perfect. If you want the microphone to add commentary.
I'll leave it there.
Yeah? Okay. So I got to do the ASMR peel. I probably did it too fast, but man, all that box for this, like what the fuck? What a waste of a box.
You killed the whole tree for this.
Okay, so I'm going to connect on my computer and yeah. So I am screen recording, so you guys should be able to see good quality shit. Unlike when me and George had filmed, like we're zooming in and it looks like dog shit. Not to hate on George, but it is what it is sometimes. Okay, so now I'm opening up the configuration. So I'm going to connect to our heal and deploy Wi-Fi. Just scanning for it right now. I know I'm not sure if I'm going to put my headshot in this part, but whatever. Heal and deploy. I'll put in our Wi-Fi password.
If you want, what you could do
Save.
is,
Sorry, I'm just going to restart it.
you
Restart.
can record from here if you want.
I was trying to, but I couldn't get the camera working with Screen Studio, so whatever, it's fine.
Okay,
I'm leaving all this in the video, by the way.
Okay.
So everything you're about to say. So this is connected to Wi-Fi. It rebooted. So let's just wait for it to actually like. You know what? I'm gonna bitch right now. Oh, it went away. You're lucky. Okay. Dogecoin is 26 cents. Okay. Okay. It updated to a real price. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, yeah. So, damn, Litecoin's $54. Okay. I'm gonna connect this to a pool. So I'm just gonna find like Dogecoin mining pool solo. I'm literally just typing that in Google. Whatever pops up first. But I don't have a Dogecoin wallet. Anyways, let's pretend I set it up. Let's connect to the IP address of this. So I saw some people complaining about this, but there are buttons here. I don't know if this is the on and off. Okay, is this the on and off? Maybe not. Okay, yeah, so the top one turns it off. But we just want the IP address, so it's like 10.70.0207, so I'm just gonna visit that. 10.70.0.207. I do like the dashboard. So we're going to
Come check it out.
Yeah. This is not the dashboard. This is yeah. I'm just trying to start mining. Just give me any. Yeah, we'll connect to Europe. Yeah, sure. Just anything to make it start mining. Actually, maybe I'll go on Mine in Dutch and do this. Yeah, we'll go on Mine in Dutch.
What pool are you using before?
I don't know. For Dogecoin, we don't really have a pool. So this is going to suck, I think, because now, okay, we're lucky. We're lucky. There we go. Video's almost over, guys. It's very different when it's not me and George because we don't have a yap fest going on. Shooting shots at George. Okay, so we go here. We're going to go get started. We're going to pick our algorithm, which is Scrypt.
Do you
Yeah, grab the mic.
do you remember George's main words? Like the words he used the most?
I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. That's a classic George term right there.
I'm gonna be very transparent. Exactly.
Yeah. Canada, Toronto, hash rate 105, mega hash, yeah, mega hash. So I'm just gonna copy this shit, and it should start mining in a little bit. Do not include stratum. I don't read anything. Fuck, it doesn't even fix the port for you. Okay, here we go. Heal deploy.
In the meantime, I'm just gonna shout out George. George, we miss you so much. I know you're having a good time in the Netherlands, but yeah, we love you. We miss you. The office isn't the same without you. So
We're missing Banks, the dog that runs around. and
exactly.
barks. It's not the same without Banks. Okay, so I restarted this. We should be connected to Mine in Dutch. So we should see a nice little, there we go, nice little restart. Yo, can you give me that machine? Yeah. Just to show people the difference in the size between the, like, the Gamma 601. This is like the one with the bigger cooler, but, yo, here I could bitch. See? Oh, it went away. Lucky again. Yeah, it's not the exact same size. Like, I don't want to touch them on each other, but you could see, like, the screws don't line up. So I'm going to make some, like, parts for this, just because nobody really has parts for the hammer, so. Okay, now, it should start hashing on there. Is it at 70? Oh, fuck. Yo, it doesn't default to the nice dashboard that I want. I want this, yeah. So we're at 90 mega hash right now. This one's 105, so let's see if it actually hits 105. I'm just gonna put this here. I know it's like, I don't want to like interfere with it, but if we hit 105, I'm happy. If not, scammed. So, yeah, I mean, everything's working.
102.
105, okay, we hit 105, I'm satisfied. It's actually 106 on my screen. Oh shit, it's 107, 108.
Are we overclocking? What's going on?
No, it's just happy to see us. Shit, is it gonna go to like 110? Maybe? 110?
110.
Damn, we didn't even change anything.
That's crazy.
Okay. You got 5 extra mega hash. Let me just check mine in Dutch and then we'll wrap up the video. Let me check our workers.
112, 150. Oh my god.
It's not 150.
No,
Oh,
115.
115.
Yeah.
Shit. What the fuck? Okay.
A little fun surprise.
Yeah, I mean, 10 extra mega hash, I'm not complaining. So we have our thing here. I'm just going to configure it to mine on Dogecoin. So we'll pick the default mining group because here we're in the default group. Coin. Where's Dogecoin? Dude, I don't see Dogecoin. What the fuck? Wait, that's because I picked the wrong group. Default group. Coin set. Okay, whatever. We're going to Digibyte. Fuck it. Solo mining. Apply. And then this is just changed to solo mining Digibyte. So yeah, that's kind of like the setup and little overview and unboxing of the Hammer Miner DC02. Yeah, this video's under 10 minutes long. Holy shit. So I don't have anything special to say other than I'll put the giveaway links in the description because I'm not George. I'm not going to do a 10-minute outro. So yeah, just look in the description below and you'll see the links to win some free shit. So see you guys later. Okay guys, I lied. I'm not ending the video. I decided last minute we're going to change the thermal paste. So this thing's running at 46 degrees right now. Can you zoom into it just to make sure? 46. So let's see what happens when we change the thermal paste. I'm going to try and do this fast because I thought this video was going to be fast. Oh shit, these are spring-loaded screws. These are dangerous. Okay, not as dangerous as I made it out to be. This time I have my 99% isopropyl alcohol, so yeah. I've never actually opened up one of these, so I have no idea what it's going to look like. I think there's 2 chips there. Okay. So let's just clean this off with some alcohol real quick. Okay, let's do the chips first. I don't know if the performance is even going to be better. This seems like really good thermal paste. Like just looking at it real quick, I don't know actually, but we will put this here. And then we'll just like rub it off at the heatsink. Making a nice mess. Okay. So we have the MX4 that we're going to put on here. Just a little drop. Little drop. I feel like we're going to run out of this. I'm repasting everything. And then we're just going to put the cooler back on. It's just going to sandwich it back together. And now we hope to line up the screws nice and easy. It's a very fast upgrade. So what I like to do is I like to screw in like in an X pattern. So here we go. Someone told me not to tighten it too much because I'll crack the chip. I'll try not to. Okay, one last screw. Cameraman, anything to say? No? No? Okay. Okay, let's plug it in and hope it doesn't explode.
So what was the initial temperature?
46.
46. What's your prediction, JD?
If the thermal paste was good, it might even be worse.
Oh yeah?
We repasted something the other day and it actually got worse. So, you know, I would be happy if it drops it like 2 or 3 degrees, but who knows? And if it goes higher, we fucked up. Don't repaste it. So, we'll see.
You're making a mistake for everybody. Ooh, 34.
No, we need shit. $100. Let's wait for it to update because I know it's going to. Oh, yeah. So yeah, before we had
46.
It was 46.
Yeah.
So let's let it get up to like 100 something. And I'm gonna leave it on the table. It's blocking like half the airflow, but just to keep it fair like before. So it's probably a bad test having it on the table, but whatever. I'll probably like skip this part too. So
We're just waiting in the meantime.
yeah, we could just wait. We could zoom in on Will's blackberries.
Should have went with Apple.
Apple.
He's outdated.
We're at 41, 42. Everyone's going to bitch in the comments that this is on the table, I know, which is great. Oh well. Oh well. Well, we're at 43. If it goes up 3 more, mission failed. And if it goes to like 45, who cares? It's like a degree. It could be just like margin of error.
Well, in the meantime, Will, what's the next feature you're working on the app?
Alerts.
Alerts?
So you'll get notified if there's anything wrong with your miner.
Yeah. I saw a lot of comments on overclocking. That we can't overclock.
So, well, there is manual overclocking, but automatic overclocking is coming at some point in the near future. No ETA yet.
No ETA.
Yeah.
We're working on it.
Yeah, working on it. You know, I hate giving ETAs. It's
We can tell.
It's okay. It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
Well, you know, I feel like we've ran this for a couple minutes, probably as long as the initial one was on.
Mm-hmm.
It does seem like we lost 2 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like if I would... Oh, no. I feel like it's the same.
Yeah.
Anyways, at least we tried. Whatever. This time I should actually end the video and not tease everyone. So, yeah, this is the actual real end of the video, and the giveaway shit's in the link below. See you guys next time.